In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the sine graphic. The question is, draw the graphic of y equals to 2 times sine half x, subtract 1/3 pi plus 1. Now, let us to solve this problem. First, I'm rewriting this function. Y equals to 2 times sine half x, subtract. Here, divide by 2, so here multiply 2 pi, divide by 3, plus 1. So step 1 is draw the graphic of y1 equals to 2 times sine half x. For this function, the minimum period t equals to 2 pi divided by half. So the period is 4 pi. So 4 pi is 1 period. 2 pi is half period. Here is pi. Here is 3 pi. So 4 pi is 1 period, half period, quarter period, 3/4 period. This coefficient determines the amplitude of this graphic. When x is 0, y1 is 0. So I'm connect these 5 points smoothly. And extend this graphic. This graphic is y1, which is 2 times sine half x. Now, step 2, draw the graphic of y2 equals to 2 times sine half x, subtract 2 pi divided by 3 by shift y1, because here is a negative sign, so shift y1 right direction, right 2 pi divided by 3 units. So now move this point right 2 pi divided by 3. Move this point right 2 pi divided by 3. Move this point right 2 pi divided by 3. Move this point right 2 pi divided by 3. Move this point right 2 pi divided by 3. Now connect these 5 points smoothly. And extend this curve. So this curve is y2. Now I'm going to draw the graphic of y equals to 2 times sine half x, subtract pi divided by 3 plus 1 by move y2 upward 1 unit. So change the color. So this is y2. Move y2 up 1 unit. Move y2 up 1 unit. Move this point up 1 unit. Move this point up 1 unit. Move this point up 1 unit. Now connect those 5 points smoothly. And extend this curve. This curve is y equals to 2 times sine half x subtract pi divided by 3 plus 1. We go to next page. Look the graphic, the blue graphic. The blue graphic is the function y equals to 2 times sine half x. Now we move the blue graphic right 2 pi divided by 3. This distance is from here to here is 2 pi divided by 3. Move the blue curve right 2 pi divided by 3. We get the orange curve. The orange curve is y equals to 2 times sine half x subtract pi divided by 3. Now move the orange curve upward 1 unit. We get the curve y equals to 2 times sine half x subtract pi divided by 3 plus 1. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, please hit the subscription button. Thank you for watching.